Well, MDOT's calling it the biggest project in its history, a $400 million plan to rebuild I-20 and I-55 through Jackson.
Yeah, 3 News Side's Holly Emery explains why officials say it can't wait any longer. Holly?
Well, Courtney and Howard, MDOT says this stretch between I-20 at Wiggins Road, that's just past Highway 18, all the way to I-20 and Pearson Road, as well as I-55 at McDowell to High Street on I-55, that reaches 110,000 cars every day. And a major construction project is going to have impacts on your commutes if you travel in those areas. Now, crews will repair 36 bridges, fixing decks, beams, and joints worn down by decades of heavy traffic. They're also going to rework 32 interstate miles, including milling and repaving worn pavement to smooth out the ride. MDOT says the corridor was built in the 1960s and was never designed to carry today's traffic load. The price tag is again about $400 million, partially covered by an $86.6 million federal grant.
It wasn't something we just came up with within the last few months because a grant was available. We have actually been looking at how we can enhance and improve the flow of traffic and the safety aspect of it coming into the Jackson metro area.
The benefit of this is it brings the contractor in early. It allows for cost certainty, for control, for shared risk management. In addition to that, we're getting everything in today's dollars before the price of doing work continues to go up.
And right now, drivers will cross these bridges every day without a second thought, and soon they will be construction zones. And MDOT says line closures start in October with 2 full 45-day shutdowns in the summer of 2027 and then another in 2028. However, we know many of you are going to be looking at these MDOT traffic cameras to make sure your commutes are ready to go, and that's going to include Highway 18, Highway 80 in both Jackson and Pearl, and Ellis Avenue, because you're going to be trying to get around all of the detours and all of the cancellation or all the closures happening on I-20. And of course, we'll continue to update you on those traffic closures as they become available. Holly Emery, 3 on your side.